Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll guide you through removing the administrator password from your Windows 10 device. Let's jump right in. Start by checking your device's current setup. Click on the Start button, then head to Settings and navigate to Accounts. In the Sign-in Options section, you might see various sign-in methods like Windows Hello PIN or others. If you've forgotten your password and need to reset it, removing the administration password might be the solution. To remove the administration password, access the command prompt. Go to the Windows search bar, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Once the command prompt opens, type NetUser and press Enter. This displays the details of users, including the one with administrator privileges. Now, type NetUser, username, replace username with your actual username, and press Enter. It'll prompt for the current administrator password, but as you've forgotten it, just press Enter without entering anything. When prompted to confirm the blank password, press Enter again. That's it. You've reset the administrator password on your Windows 10 device. If this tutorial was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell icon for more content. Catch you in the next exciting video. Bye for now.